since I did the last videos to explain what this new migration policy in Ireland mean and how it impact or affect the different categories of migrants in Ireland, I have been getting a lot of questions from people who want to know whether this new policy will affect those who already have their refugee status or not. So that is the question that has been asked, that one on my screen, and so many other people have asked me the same question. So I decided I'm going to do a video to specifically answer that question. But before I answer, I want to just go and still list out some of the key things that are in this new policy that is so important for people to save and remember, and especially when it comes to family reunification in Ireland. And those key things are: number one, that that now only nuclear families are considered as eligible to be reunited with their family members. So these are like spouse and partner and children under the age of 18. Anyone over the age of 18 and those who are also parents and extended families, the rules for people who want to bring those family members to Ireland is going to really change. It's going to be stricter, and in most cases they will be expected to be earning over 92,000 euro before they'll be able to bring those type of extended family members to Ireland. Another thing there that is so important to about this new policy that's changing is that the government is now advising that the officers issuing visa will look deeper into the information that people are providing. So emphasis will be put on truthful information, that if people give false information when they are applying for their family unification visa or other kind of visas, they risk their visas being refused, as well as even they themselves being removed from the country. Another thing there that is so important to also remember is that the officers or visa officers are now expected to look at the size of the accommodation that the person who is inviting their family members have, so that they ensure that they have the type of required size of home that they be able to accommodate the size of the family that they are inviting to stay with them. So in the past, it wasn't so much looked at in the past. And if you're someone who lives in Ireland, you know that the rule or the standard is that, let's say, for example, a family of 4, where there's a father and a mother, and their children who are a boy and a girl. In that family of 4, it is expected to have 3 bedrooms. And this is because the boys need their room, the girls need their room, and also the couple need their room as well. So in that case, the ideal thing is that they have like 3 bedrooms. So they will look at those kind of accommodation as well, and make sure that the person who is inviting their family have the right size of accommodation for the family that they're inviting. So those are the key things that are in this, in terms of the family unification requirement for you to remember. So save this video, share it as well, so that other people will know this information, and give me a follow, because I always come here to explain all of these things in detail so that everyone will get to understand how this thing is going to impact them. So now I'm going to answer the question on my screen. A lot of people want to know whether this new rule will impact them, those who already have refugee status. And the answer to that is simply no. If you already have your refugee status before this new rule came into effect, the law that is applicable to you is the International Protection Act of 2015 or 2015. Okay, this new rule does not apply to you yet. It will only start to come into effect, let's just say from like next year, after all these reviews. Let's say from like next year, when people who will be applying for the first time will be applying, who will be getting their status after that time will be applying. That's when these things will start to impact them. For now, those who already have it, this will not affect them, as far as I know. And all this is for information purpose. You can still go to the website, the Irish citizenship website or government website, and you'll be able to get more details about all of these things. So I hope this information helps. Thank you so much for watching. Share it, give me a follow, and like, and have a good day.